Are you ready to unlock your creative potential and take your video editing skills to the next level? Look no further than our curated selection of the best video editing software available in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest tools that will make your videos stand out from the crowd. Get ready to edit like a pro and bring your creative vision to life with our top picks for the best video editing software in 2025. First up, we have Cyberlink PowerDirector, which is an excellent choice for video editing enthusiasts. With its intuitive interface and powerful editing tools, PowerDirector allows you to create stunning videos with ease. One of the standout features of PowerDirector is its speed and efficiency. You can import, edit, and export your videos faster than ever before, making it the perfect choice for those who value time. Additionally, PowerDirector offers a wide range of customizable templates, effects, and filters, allowing you to unleash your creativity and produce professional-looking videos in no time. Next on our list is CapCut, a fantastic option for mobile video editing. CapCut offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of editing tools and effects. It's a great choice for those looking to edit on the go. CapCut's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to import, edit, and export your videos right from your smartphone. If you're looking for a video editing software that offers a seamless editing experience, look no further than Descript. With its AI-powered features, Descript makes it easy to remove unwanted background noise, silence, and even people from your videos. Its overhauled editor also makes it easier than ever to move clips around your timeline, rearrange your entire project, and so much more. Veed is a great choice for those looking to simplify their video creation process. With its easy-to-use interface and vast library of stock footage and music, Veed makes it simple to create professional-looking videos in minutes. Veed also offers a wide range of editing tools and effects, making it a versatile choice for all skill levels. Last but not least, Canva Video is an excellent starting point for beginners. With its drag-and-drop editor and pre-made templates, Canva Video makes it easy to create simple yet effective videos. It is a great tool for those looking to create videos quickly and easily without having to learn a new software inside and out. And there you have it, folks. Our top picks for the best video editing software in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, these software options offer something for everyone. So why wait? Start exploring these tools today and unleash your creative potential. Thank you for watching and happy editing. Don't forget you love for supporting us. Like and subscribe for next videos. If you need the direct links, kindly leave a comment. I will send you the link as soon